Every day, we take raw ingredients like matoke, beans, and fresh greens and turn them into a nourishing meal for our family. Getting this right relies on four core skills: maintaining strict hygiene, balancing nutritional needs, choosing cooking methods that save nutrients, and presenting the food properly. The process ensures that every meal you serve is safe, visually appealing, and optimally nourishing for your entire family. Let's start from step 1. Before we even think about cooking, we have to secure our workspace. Kitchen hygiene is the non-negotiable first step of any meal preparation. We must prevent cross-contamination, which happens when harmful bacteria transfer between foods. Keep raw proteins entirely separate from fresh vegetables. If you only have one cutting board, there is a strict rule. You must wash it thoroughly with soap and water between chopping meat and fresh greens. Locking down this hygiene standard is the foundation of meal prep. It ensures the nutritional effort we put in is actually safe to consume. This empty plate is our visual guide for planning healthy proportions. We call this the plate method. It helps build a balanced diet. First, fill a quarter with complex carbohydrates, like posho or matoke, providing baseline daily energy. Next, fill the second quarter with proteins, like beans or fish, supporting physical growth and body maintenance. Finally, dedicate the remaining half to leafy vegetables, delivering essential vitamins and minerals to boost immunity. You can easily adjust this template based on who you are feeding. An active adult might need a slightly larger portion of carbohydrates for sustained work, while an elderly family member benefits from softer, easy-to-digest proteins. By sticking to the plate method, you guarantee a scientifically balanced diet for any family member, using the standard produce available in our local markets. Once the menu is set, we move to the stove. Applying heat directly changes both the physical texture and the chemical nutritional value of our food. This comparison table shows how different cooking methods affect specific foods. We can see clear distinctions in the scientific effect when we look at boiling versus steaming. Boiling is the ideal method for legumes, like our beans. Prolonged heat effectively breaks down and softens the tough fibers so they are easily digested. However, boiling poses a major risk for fresh vegetables due to leaching. When vegetables sit in boiling water, water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C, escape directly into the cooking liquid. Steaming is effective for leafy greens, like nakati or dodo, because it preserves their vitamin content. Since the food never touches the water, leaching is prevented. Notice this comparison. The steamed greens on the left retain a vibrant color, while the boiled greens on the right lose their nutritional potency. Matching the correct scientific cooking method to the specific ingredient is essential. It preserves the exact nutritional value we mapped out during the plate method. The food is perfectly cooked, so we move to the final step, presentation. How food looks is critical because visual appeal actually primes our digestive system. Start the professional setup with the physical dining space. Lay down a clean placemat, followed by placing the crisp dinner plate in perfect central alignment. Next, position the cutlery exactly. The fork rests on the left side of the plate, while the spoon or knife sits on the right. Finally, place the water glass securely at the top right corner of the setting. This organized arrangement makes the dining space inviting, encouraging family members to eat more mindfully. We have successfully completed the entire workflow. We secured our kitchen by avoiding cross-contamination, balanced our macronutrients, and locked in vital vitamins through steaming. And this is the final result: a perfectly prepared and presented Ugandan meal, portioned exactly to our plate method layout: complex carbohydrates, protein, and an abundance of bright steamed greens. Basic meal preparation is an accessible, highly rewarding blend of science and art. You can confidently apply these principles in your own kitchen today to improve your family's diet. For more educational tools and resources, visit the Digital Network.